Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play Mad Rich Car and make money every hour. This game is just so easy. You only need to match similar cars, and once you wait for the cars moving, your coins will keep increasing, and these coins can be used to buy a new car. What I do is I purchase cheap cars only instead of wasting so much coins on expensive high level cars. So once I buy cheap cars, I merge them together in order to produce expensive cars so that I will play the game for much time instead of waiting so much for the coins to increase before I can buy new car. Make sure to watch to the end in order to learn how I play the game and understand it so that you can make more money.